let's get started from the beginning. Hey everyone, I got the DJI Goggles N3 for Christmas, but unfortunately Santa didn't know that I also needed the motion control 3. So I had to wait a bit because without it or the FPV controller 3, the goggles just won't work. Now it's finally here, so let's do a quick unboxing of the Motion 3. Let's get started. My name is Tom and this is Drone It Up. I will quickly unbox this small package that just arrived from DJI. This video comes about a week after I got the goggles, since I had to wait for the controller. There is not much in the box, just the controller, a small manual on how to use it, and a wrist strap to keep it from slipping out of your hand. There is no charging cable included, but that's not really any issue since we already have plenty of those. Let me know if you would like any adjustment. And here it is, the Goggle N3, my very first FPV headset. Let's take a closer look at what we got here and how this headset is designed. Right away I noticed the micro SD card slot, which lets you recording the goggles feed directly. I'm using a high-speed micro SD card to make sure everything runs smoothly. Next to it there is a micro USB port for charging. This is where we charge the goggles, but that's not all. It also lets you connect them to the computer. Just plug it in and you can easily transfer your recorded footage straight from the headset. No need to remove the SD cards, just a quick and simple way to access your videos. Once you connect the goggles to your computer, the File Explorer pops up automatically. From there, just navigate to the memory card, find your recorded videos and copy-paste them into a folder on your hard drive. Simple and quick. One thing to keep in mind, the video file numbering resets every time you deleted the footage from the memory card. So if you don't rename or organize them properly, you may end up overwriting older files by accident. With these two small buttons you can navigate through the menu without needing the motion controller. One of them acts as a back button, while the other is a small joystick that lets you move through the options easily. It's a simple and effective way to control the goggles, especially if you prefer not to use the motion controller. The top and bottom vents help with airflow to keep the goggles cool. There is also a built-in defogging function. Just like the name suggests, it clears up any fogging instantly. You can activate it from the top menu with a quick click and the condensation disappears right away. A super useful feature, especially in colder or humid conditions like my home. Our nose is cushioned by a soft silicone pad, making it really comfortable to wear. It fits nicely without pressing too hard, so even during the longer sessions it still feels great. Finally, let's talk about the size. The Goggle N3 is slightly larger than its predecessors, but that's understandable given the technology inside. Since it's a more budget-friendly version, it costs about half the price of the Goggles 3. However, it does have one major advantage over the higher-end models. You can comfortably wear it with prescription glasses. That's a huge plus for anyone who needs corrective lenses while flying. The battery is located at the back and there is a small adjustment dial to fine-tune to fit. To give you a real-life example of how the Goggle N3 looks with the glasses, I will quickly put them on myself and show you. This way you can see exactly how well it fits over regular eyewear. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this first look at the Goggles N3 and motion controls 3 helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more drone and FPV content. Also check out the description for useful links. In the next video I will diving into the features and functionality, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching and fly safe.